federal government to adequately address the issue of anti-Semitism.
Are you telling me
the
Columbia administration and the faculty was supportive of the Jewish community?
I think that they are
You
trying
need
to
to stop dipping into your ketamine stash.
Into what? Excuse me?
Now, if we're going to solve this problem, we need to talk about it. And it wasn't just
A Jewish student once described hiding their Star of David necklace on campus out of fear. That quiet anxiety became the backdrop of a fiery Senate hearing that stunned the room. When applause broke out after a sharp rebuke from John Kennedy, the debate shifted from policy to something far more personal. Stay with us to understand what sparked that moment and why it matters far beyond Washington.
In a tense exchange, Kennedy pressed witnesses over whether anti-Semitism has intensified in recent years and whether universities, such as Columbia University, failed to protect Jewish students during protests tied to the Israel-Gaza war. One witness argued that anti-Semitism has risen and called for stronger federal enforcement through civil rights offices, warning that budget cuts weaken investigations. Kennedy pushed back, questioning whether administrators blurred the line between political protest and outright hostility toward Jews. Another witness emphasized that compassion for Palestinians and support for Jewish safety are not mutually exclusive, urging a rejection of ideological framing that forces students to choose sides.
This debate is not just about one university or one moment. It is about how a pluralistic society confronts hate without sacrificing freedom. Follow for deeper analysis as lawmakers consider new oversight measures and universities